Alright, now we're trying out this 165 grain fusion. It looks like it's some kind of a, not a soft point per se, but it's like a flat point. I don't know how else to describe it. But let's take a look at this stuff. Now it's a little bit more expensive, so if I'm able to group just as well with the Monarch, I might as well just stack up on the Monarch stuff. But we'll see. I think these are both advertised for hunting loads, so you know, see how we do. Okay. Ooh, tell you what, I don't grow out scruff that often. And this Magpul stock, it sure does pull pretty hard on your facial hair. Not a big fan of that. But let's see. Alright, let's stop yapping. The sun's getting in my eyes. Classic excuse, right? Sun was in my eyes. Alright, definitely some vertical stringing on that group. It's probably me. I don't know. These cheap ass little yellow earmuffs, or these little earplugs, are not exactly the best for shooting these Bill 308 rifles. I've been looking at getting those, the Honeywell, the Honeywell, for like electronic earmuffs. I don't know if you got any opinions on the electronic earmuffs, which ones to go with. I'm not really looking to spend a whole lot of money. Want to keep it like under 70 bucks. But Amazon seems to have them on for 40 bucks. The Impact, Honeywell, whatever they're called. And they look like they have pretty decent reviews, so I was going to go with those. Once I get them, I'll show them out. But once I get those, you know, the beauty about the electronic earmuffs is you can actually hear better under certain decibels. I don't know what decibel it is, but you can actually amplify sound a little bit for you. So, which is great, you know, when I'm talking to the camera, I'm not shouting or sounding like a deaf person, because, you know, I've got earplugs in. I think that's another thing, is if you're an instructor, you know, firearms instructor, or in the military, you know, and you're talking to someone, you still need that ear protection, but you still, you know, it helps you out to hear better, and, you know, be able to provide instruction without, you know, feeling like one of your senses is being impeded on. You know, these electronic earmuffs are probably the best thing you can probably go with. But yeah, once I get those, I'll test them out and tell you what I think about them. Or if you keep me from buying a piece of crap product, that would be very appreciated. Now let's go ahead and do five on the head. Man, I'm a flinchy son of a gun today. Oh man, I gotta collect myself. Maybe I was just shooting good with that 150. my setup's getting a little. Well, not the best. Let's run down and take a look.